Today we're going to be talking about how to handle a poking wire if you are at home in case of an emergency. We always urge you, if you are at home and you feel a wire poking or one of the brackets are loose, okay, sliding around on the wire like so, to always give us a call at the office so we can schedule a repair appointment to fix it or to at least make you comfortable. For whatever reason, if you are not able to make it into our office, if it's the weekend, if you're away on vacation and just simply can't make it here, I'm going to show you a couple of tips that you can do at home to make yourself comfortable until you can make it to the office. Just to get started, I'm going to show you different parts to your braces. On each individual tooth, you have what's called a bracket, and then you have the arch wire that's going all the way through from side to side. If you ever notice that your bracket is sliding back and forth or is loose on the wire and no longer bonded to the tooth, then that would be considered a broken bracket. Most every wire when you leave our office will be cinched behind the bracket, which means it'll have a little bend right behind that bracket, sort of stopping that wire from being able to come out. Sometimes emergencies happen, and if that wire for whatever reason does come out of that bracket, just like on this lower, you'll see that this wire is no longer all the way through this tube. A tip that you can do at home is you can grab a pair of tweezers and you can simply grab the wire and pull, guiding it back into the tube until it's completely through and you're no longer uncomfortable. So if you do have a wire that is very long and poking out the back of the bracket, another thing you can use, super easy household item that most of us have, grab a nail clipper and you're just going to bring that nail clipper all the way up, okay, behind that bracket, and you're going to simply clip, okay, and you can get a little closer if you need to, but you're just going to clip it off until the wire is no longer there, making it comfortable until we can see you at your next visit. Now, if you do have a little tiny piece of wire that's poking outside of the bracket, and let's say it's too short for you to take your clippers and clip, you can always take some of your wax that you have in all of your patient kits, pinch off a little tiny piece, roll it into a ball, okay? And we do show every patient this when we first put the braces on. You're gonna roll it into a ball. You wanna dry the area, okay, wherever you're sticking the wax first, okay? Get a nice dry surface if you can. Roll it into a ball, and then you're just gonna stick it right onto the end, okay, of that bracket or wherever that wire is poking. And this should make it a little more comfortable until you're able to come in and see us.